Don't waste the time. Scorpion will.
बाबू वही पे ये कर
Goes to 5. Loss of 1 wicket. 2 balls remaining. Six. Kuldeep, it is not a football, it is a cricket. You have to throw the ball, not run to hit the ball. Two different games.
वो सामने सारा तो मैं क्या करेगा? बैट बॉल करना, फुटबॉल करना क्या? मैं क्या करूँगा? तो सामने सारा So after 1 over, score is 12 runs with a loss of 1 wicket. Next bowler is Shivam. हाँ कुलदीप सत्यम लगता फुल प्रैक्टिस करके ट्रेनिंग दिया ना सत्यम Batsman and umpire will take the right decision. Please. Side up. Samir, please, captain as a captain, please. All is full. Very good. One moves to 17. Six. It's four. It's four.
Samir. Score 27.
अरे जाने दे किस हाँ वही है थोड़ा अभी अरे तू कैमरे में कुलदीप काम करना अरे अभी उसको किस कैसे थी वो अच्छी लग रही है
loses wicket. The next from European Wolves. Score goes to 39. Third over is in the progress. 40-40, sorry. Again, it's 4. So Samir is only leading in a 4 and 6s now. He is a good candidate for best player in a cricket tournament. Again hit the ball, it is safe. Still he is injured, but still is playing well. So 50 is the score after 3 overs. And I guess his team members are now happy. Chandrakant is happy now. Rehan is there.
भाई पास बॉलिंग
And it's again in 6. 58. Challenging score now for Warriors. 3 balls remaining. ऊपर से निकालना है सर, ट्राई करो। एक उधर चंद्रकांत, एक नया बॉल दे दो उधर से। चंद्रकांत न्यू बॉल। Total score is 63. 2 balls still remaining. Very good, Kiran. Yes, back on the Kiran. Yes. Balls remaining, score moves to 63. On ball 64. And total score is 65. To win this semi-final and move to the final, Sarup Warrior requires 66 in a 4 overs.
दो पैकेट एक
सेकंड नंबर पे आया कैसे आया अभी कितना नहीं फुटबॉल में ना अभी में धक्का मारो तो अरे हम खुश हो जाए ना दिल इतना बड़ा
ये मास्क नहीं मिल रहा ना तेरे को बैठ जाएगा
किसको दिया था
Kuldeep is on side. Akash is on side. First over from Sarupian Wolves, Rahul. Kuldeep is ready. So now 66 runs required to reach the final. In a final they play against
एकच गाडी
अरे मैं इसका
very good shot by Kuldeep. The score is 4 ball, 14 runs. 4 ball, 14. Five ball, 15 runs.
थोड़ा सा
1 over 16 runs. In 4 overs, 24, sorry, in 3 overs, 18 balls, 50 runs.
हे मित्रा अरे हे घेऊन बॅट
8 से 6. Now 17 balls, 44 runs. Still the target can be achieved.
हे मित्रा अरे हे घेऊन ये बॅटरी
So 16 ball remaining. One run only. Akash is playing very sensibly. On a strike. Some supporters. And it's gone. It's a save. Shahrukh shot from Kuldeep. Cheer up for Warriors. Good support there for Warriors. Score is 34. 32 runs is required in 15 balls.
ह्या टायमाला ना ते मीडियम
Good
असतं
stop by Crispin. He is playing football and cricket together, I guess.
ह्या टायमाला ना ते मीडियम असतं
Good ball by Sameer. He loses the wicket.
Good ball by Sameer. He loses the wicket. Akash Jai.
Next batsman is again Vikas Yadav. This is called Yadav Power. One Yadav goes, another Yadav.
Good ball by Sameer. Good ball by Sameer.
So,
Good ball by Sameer.
so the umpire is checking on a screen. रन के लिए चेकिंग हो रहा था ऑफिशियल्स का और अंपायर इज वेरी प्रोफेशनल दे आर इन देयर 100 एज अ ऑफिशियल 100 मैच टू द ऑफिशियलिंग टीम इज Devon Down and Sachin Buswalkar is our umpire for today's match. Thank you for giving such a good time for us. Kuldeep and yes, out. Something. It was out. It's no and white together, so there's confusion made. Don't argue anything umpire. It's out. Ball is not counted, run is out and
Out. Something. It's like out. It's no and white together, so there's confusion made.
so I guess all teams are ready for it. Show your best to win this year's trophy for the best football team from Sarup classes. New batsman is again Shubham and the common is Yadav.
तो गेम आहे का
Hey, किती next score? 7 runs. And it's again wide, but this time, no, not out. Wide ball again. So Ashish is doing some trick by pitching the ball. And dot.
नंतर ना मी सांग
Supporters, cheers for Warriors. And it's goal.
And it's
So still,
and it's
14 ball, 26 runs. Sorry, 8 ball. Don't go with it. 10 ball, 26 runs required. Ten ball, 23 runs required to reach the final. Right. Goal. Required in 8 ball.
वाइट में बैठने मुश्किल होता है ब्लैक और वाइट दोनों में नहीं
So 6 ball, 16 runs required. Very nicely chased by Warriors. Some good support is there. Please cheer up for the Warriors.
थोड़ा उस साइड चूतिया
So 14 runs is needed compulsory in 1 over. 6 balls, 14.
अरे नहीं मिस करेगा
So as Warriors won the toss. They want compulsory 14 runs. And it's no now. अंपायर इसने फाइनल डिसीजन आप लुटेगा से उसने बोला है ठीक है डेढ़ बॉल 1 over 14 runs.
तू हॅलो ते काचकून जायच्या आधी फोन
5 over 13 runs.
पटकन कर ना काय तू पण यार टाइमपास करतो.
अरे रोहितला नाही राहायचं मागे
2 runs, very good. 5 balls, 11.
लवकर लाईट लागलेलं नाही.
It's it. Byron, 6 चाहिए. 5 all 5 runs.
हे अमित सरांचा नंबर
4 ball.
अमित सरांचा
अरे कट कर आणि परत लावा लगेच लागेल.
सर बॅटरी काढतोय काय.
चल दे लवकर काढ. चल दे
दे थोडं हँडल करते. दे
अरे दे लवकर आतापर्यंत झाले असते.
Four ball, 4 runs. Sorry, 3 ball, 4 runs. Match is very tough. 2 ball, 4 runs. 2 ball पे 4 runs. नहीं. What out? Ball, 3 runs compulsory. To win this match, Warriors require 4 runs. क्या चिराग 4 मारेगा? क्या वॉरियर फाइनल में जाएगी? Lead outsider, keep quiet. 1 ball, 3 runs, 4 at least needed.